someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
I do not have time to iron this. It's a busy day, busy week. I can't wait for them to resume. And Monday finally is school, so I can breathe.
Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Finally, I am done with this room. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, I will see you all very soon. Look the way she's looking at me. She's like, who are you talking to? Who are you talking to, Mama? Die.